Yeah, hello, Mike. If you can give us some overview of the company that you're working on, and also what's the project that you worked with together with you, that will be helpful.
Sure. Yeah, so VMware, specifically security and resiliency, is the team that I'm from. We were known as the virtualization company, and now we've been getting into the cloud services space. But we're essentially the backbone used by almost all Fortune 500 companies, if not all Fortune 500. And we've recently been transitioning to a more security-centric company. And so a lot of the work that we've needed to have done has been critical, and we've been vastly advancing the security capabilities of the company over the last 4 or 5 years. And so now the work that we're trying to achieve and why we needed this additional support is we need to provide our chief security officer constant live data and understanding as to where we are capability-wise, where we're heading, what are we trying to execute on. And in order to try to make all of that data consumable is a difficult challenge because we have a lot of people contributing various components to multiple backends. And so what we needed is a single front end capable of showing and parsing the data regardless of what the backend was. So it was a pretty big challenge. Continues to be a challenge because as we continue to mature as an organization and get even more involved in various parts of the company, we have even more back ends to deal with and more data. And so it's a constant struggle. We're trying to make sure that we've got good signal to noise ratio. So that's the challenge. Hopefully that helped.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much. That was pretty wide, overview. Thank you for that and for the deep overview of the company and what you're doing. So in terms of working together with Chiron and with me by myself, so I know we were engaged on doing some business process automation, particularly for your SharePoint and Office 365 environment. So we've been working together on different Microsoft Power Automate flows and also developing some Power BI as a part of our last projects. So how overall would you rate our engagement and satisfaction? Any concerns or just some comments on the feedback?
Oh yeah, absolutely brilliant. I mean, there's a reason that we re-engaged you multiple times. Is the delivery has always been fantastic. Communication's always crisp, clear. You somehow have always known what should be the top priority. I mean, we try to help, but it's pure chaos sometimes. So you've always knocked everything out of the park, and there's not a lot of redo. There's not a lot of rework. It's right the very first time. The iterative process is great. When you have given us the first round of fixes, it's already there. And when we say, can you also do X, Y, and Z? We literally are asking. We don't know if it's possible. And somehow you've always managed to find a way. So always on schedule, if not ahead of schedule. You seem more adept than we had anticipated. Always on budget. And we get everything that we needed and then some.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah, I appreciate really that feedback and glad to hear. And thank you from your end to keep, engagement with Chiron and with me, that we can continue delivery and continue working with you together. That's really means a lot to us and we really appreciate it.